This video is going to show how to sell a kitted product. It's going to show a single line item on the sales order. And then on the delivery order, it's going to show 3 separate products that comprise our kit. So let's jump in. We're going to create our order. And just select my customer and then my kit. Oops, my 3-pack of Ivy. So I'm selling it for $20. And typically each IV goes for $10 each, so it's $10 less to buy the 3-pack. I'm going to confirm my order. Now I can go into the delivery, and we see here that 3 of the IVs for that kit were reserved for this order. So now I can validate and ship out those quantities. So now they're in the ready stage, we ship them out. And now when I go back to my sales order, I can create the invoice. I can also see under my to invoice the orders that need to be invoiced, and we see here sales order 58 is now in that list. So I can go in and create the invoice, and now I can register the payment. When I register the payment, it's going to show the amount, and it's going to show in payment. When I reconcile with my bank statement, it will show paid once it's reconciled. So we have a $23 charge. When I go to my accounting app and I import my bank statement, so I'm just going to do a bank test statement, and then I'm going to do ending balance plus $23, so it's going to be $67, so I'm adding the $23 to my ending balance on my bank statement. This can all be imported. I'm just going to do deposit for the $23, and now I can post that statement. So now I can reconcile. It's going to ask me to reconcile, and it's going to pull up that exact payment that I just marked in payment from my customer. So I can also go back to my accounting dashboard and see here that it's going to ask me to reconcile some items, and then I can see all the items that need to be reconciled, and I'm going to my specific item here, and then I'm going to specify the item that needs to be reconciled. So it pulls up the same amount that was just paid with the invoice number there, and it matches it up and marks it as blue, so it's easy to find. So now I can validate. Now when I go to my customer invoices and I look at the invoice here that we just created, I can see that it is now marked as paid for that 3-pack of Ivy. And it shows the date that it was paid. So it went from in payment to paid because we actually reconciled with their bank statement, making sure that that payment matches what is in Odoo. If you have any questions, please contact CKA@odoo.com.